Good morning, students. Students, myself Gaurav Sachdeva from the Sirsa School, Sirsa. Today we will start chapter probability. The meaning of probability is chances. Formula of probability is number of favorable cases by number of total cases. And range of probability greater than equal to 0 and less than equal to 1. बेटा प्रोबेबिलिटी का जो आंसर आएगा वो 0 या 1 या इसके बीच में ही आएगा. क्लियर है? नाउ three main topics are in probability related to coin, dice and cards. First we study about coin. A coin has two faces, head and tail. When a coin is tossed, find the probability of head. Probability number of favorable case and number of cases total. A coin is tossed, find the probability of head. Then number of cases of head 1 and number of total cases 2. Then our answer is 1 by 2. When a coin is tossed, find the probability of tail. Probability of tail, number of cases 1 by the number of total cases 2. Clear है बेटा? When two coins are tossed, when two coins are tossed, then number of total cases, head, tail, head, tail. The number of total cases 4. When two coins are tossed, find the probability of two head. टू हेड वाले कितने केसेस हैं? 1. देन आंसर इज 1 by 4. By 4 because number of total cases 4. Probability of one head बेटा वन हेड वाले कितने केसेस हैं? 2. हेड टेल एंड टेल हेड. देन आंसर इज 2 by 4. Probability of zero head, 1 by 4. Tail has no head. इसमें बेटा कोई हेड नहीं है. इसमें कितने हेड हुए? 0. आंसर इज 1 by 4. In the case of two coin, most important concept is at least and at most. At least one head, at least two head, at most one tail, at most two head. बेटा हेड या टेल की जगह कुछ भी आ सकता है. मीनिंग ऑफ एट लीस्ट, कम से कम. एट लीस्ट वन हेड, कम से कम एक हेड. ज्यादा भी हो सकते हैं, 1 और मोर देन 1. 4 at most one tail, ज्यादा से ज्यादा 1 or less than 1 tail or less than 1। बेटा मोस्ट स्टूडेंट सोच रहे होंगे इसमें तो टेल है ही नहीं, क्या कहा? एट मोस्ट 1 टेल, ज्यादा से ज्यादा एक टेल, 1 और लेस देन 1 एट हैविंग 0 टेल। तो बेटा एट मोस्ट वाले में आपने 0 वाला केस भी कंसीडर करना है। एट मोस्ट 2 हेड, 2 और लेस देन 2 or less than 2, 4 by 4, clear? When 3 coins are tossed, then total outcomes will be 8। देखो बेटा इसका भी एक फॉर्मूला है। टोटल केसेस in 1 coin, total faces 2 face, head and tail, then formula will be 2 power n। In a dice total faces 6, then formula will be 6 power n। In the case of 1 coin 2 power 1, total case is 2। in the cases of 2 coin put value of n is 2, then total outcomes 4। in the cases 3 coin put value of n is 3, then total outcomes will be 8। and in the cases of 4 coin put value of n 4, then answer will be 16। then total outcomes in the case of 1.2, 2.4, 3.8 and 4.16। बेटा हमारे सिलेबस में 3 coin तक ही है। अब बेटा जब स्टूडेंट्स ये 8 केसेस बना रहे होते हैं तो मिस्टेक्स होती है, तो देखो बेटा इसका इजी मेथड क्या है। When 2 coins are tossed, you know total outcomes will be 4। repeat same, clear है? Write head in front of upper row and tail in front of second row। These 8 cases are total outcomes in the cases of 3 coins। After that same, at least 1 head, at least 2 head, exactly 1 head, exactly 2 tail, you can solve these questions। then after the topic of coin we discuss about a dice। dice देखिए बेटा, लूडो का गीटा, लूडो खेली होगी आपने। when a dice is rolled, एक डाइस को फेंका, then total outcomes 1 2 3 4 5 and 6। what is the probability of even number? even number 2 4 6। number of favorable cases 3। number of total cases 6। then probability number of favorable cases by में number of total cases 3 by 6। answer is 1 by 2। clear? when a dice is rolled, find the probability number greater than 4। number greater than 4, 5 and 6, and probability is 2 by 6. When a dice is rolled, find the probability of prime number. Prime number कौन से है बेटा? 2, 3, 5. Then probability 3 by 6. One more example. When a dice is rolled, number greater than 6. Number greater than 6 कितने हैं? 0. Greater than 6. कोई नंबर नहीं है बेटा, तो 0 by 6 0. Clear? When two dice are rolled, then total outcomes will be 36. Formula: a dice has 6 faces, then formula will be 6 power n. In the case of two dice, put value of n is 2, 6 power 2, 36. These 36 cases are 1 1, 1 2, 1 3, 1 4, 1 5, 1 6, 2 1, 2 2, 2 3, 2 4, 2 5, 2 6, 3 1, 4 1, 5 1, 6 1, 3 2, 4 2, 5 2, 6 2, 3 3, 3 4, 3 5, 3 6, 4 3, 4 4, 4 5, 4 6, 5 3, 5 4, 5 5, 5 6, 6 3, 6 4, 6 5. In the case of two dice, total outcome will be 36. When two dice are rolled, find the probability of sum is 11. Sum is 11. तो बेटा two dice का sum 11 बने, कौन कौन से केसेस हैं? 5 6 and 6 5. Then number of favorable cases 2, total cases 36, and probability 2 by 36, 1 by 18. Sum is 10, 4 6, 5 5, 6 4. Here 3 cases, answer will be 3 by 36. When two dice are rolled, find the probability a dice at least having 1 5. एक डाई पे कम से कम 5 आना ही चाहिए. तो बेटा 6 cases and 6 cases. आप सोच रहे होगे 12, but here 11. 5 5 दोनों में आ रहा है. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11. Clear? And at least 5 on one die. 11 by 36. Similarly, students, at least 3 on one die, then total favorable cases 11. At least 2 on one die, then also favorable cases will be 11. Clear? One more example. When two dice are rolled, then product will be 8. Product 8 आना चाहिए बेटा. अब product देखो 1 4 2 2 4, 2 cases, then probability 2 by 36. बेटा जो भी क्वेश्चन करोगे आपने स्टार्टिंग में फेवरेबल केसेस लिखने हैं. After that, number of favorable cases, then number of total cases. Then put formula: probability is equal to number of favorable cases by the number of total cases. The last topic, cards. Total cards 52, 26 red and 26 black. 13 heart, 13 spade, 13 club and 13 diamond and 13 spade. बेटा ये जो 13 कार्ड्स हैं हार्ट के, डायमंड के, क्लब के, स्पेड के, वो कौन से हैं? A 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 J Q K. A को हम एस बोलते हैं, J जैक, Q क्वीन एंड K किंग. One card of ace heart, one diamond, one club, one spade. Total ace card 4. Total jack card 4. Total queen card 4. Total king card 4. Red ace 1 and 1 2. Black ace 2. Spade queen, queen of spade 1. Clear? Face card 12 जैक क्वीन किंग. जब आपने कार्ड्स देखे होंगे जैक क्वीन और किंग, इसके फेस होता है, फेस की फोटो एक बनी होती है जैक क्वीन और किंग की, तो इन्हें हम बोलते हैं फेस कार्ड. एंड ऑनर्ड कार्ड 16 A J Q K. बेटा ये 4 हार्ट के, 4 डायमंड के, 4 क्लब, 4 स्पेड है, टोटल 16. 3 heart, 3 diamond, 3 club and 3 spade. Clear है? In next video students we will study about your book question. Clear? This is the basic of probability. Wow, coin, dice and